माओ के रुख मोड़ना है मेरी पहचान, अपनों की खुशी में है मेरी मुस्कान। अगर देखनी है मेरी उड़ान तो और ऊंचा कर दो आसमान। अगर देखनी है मेरी उड़ान तो और ऊंचा कर दो आसमान।
My friend Shahrukh, who is on his way, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and a very warm welcome to this enchanting evening of stories. 25 stories to be precise. 24 of these are in the book. And the 25th, which is an untold story, is that of the storyteller.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Shahrukh.
Good evening, everyone, and first of all, a big thank you to Deepak Parekh Saab and Neeta Bhabhi for having me over here, and thought I'm good enough to be in such a fantastic company as Mukesh Bhai, Adi Saab, Kumar Saab, Ajay Ji, Suhail, who's trying to sleep, but I won't let you. Honestly, I'm one of the finest people, though I'm showing off, to come for anything that is woman-related, not because I'm such an amazing romantic hero, you know, when she said his pursuit of, I thought she was going his pursuit of women, but not because of that. But I think my life has been completely shaped by women, starting from my grandmother to my daughter now, in between my wife, aunties and didis in the colony in Rajendra Nagar, and of course all the leading ladies and directors that I've worked with who are women, and really, really, genuinely have helped me achieve 90 to 100% of what I am today. I think I wouldn't be half a man if it wasn't for these women. And any amount of sensitivity that I have, goodness that I have, or any amount of excellence that I may achieve in my career has been led by all these ladies who I will one day also perhaps write a book about and mention how I owe my life to them. But tonight is about Gunjan. So I've written some stuff for you, Gunjan, because I'm also a struggling writer. Even if it's politically incorrect, girls need to lie down when I talk to them. They just I'm joking. Don't take mine. Just for this, I'm going to be in trouble now. When I say lie down, just listen to me, aram se, no other way. So 24 women written about by Gunjan Jain. Women and girls who have fought extraordinary battles and continue to fight for their beliefs. It's about their associations, their relations, professionally and personally. Their walks, their falls, their losses, their trials, and still their will to get up and not only walk again, but blaze a trail behind in their paths to become leaders in their fields. This is for girls who stay up all night. This is for you who are willing to fight, for hidden fears, hurt, pain, and tears, under the smiles, laughs, and giggles we hear. Let your hair down, straight or curls. You're beautiful because you fight like a girl. For girls who wear short skirts and their heart on their sleeve. For girls who know how difficult it is to believe. The girls who scream and cry to their pillows and tell them their goals. For girls who have a secret but can't tell a soul. Let your eyes be your diamonds. Make them your pearls. You're beautiful because you fight like a girl. For girls who have made mistakes and have had regrets galore. The girls that may not win, but always get up from the floor. The girls who take life as it comes, the girls who have broken the code. For the girls who hope that it'll get better somewhere down the road. Let your steps be a dance and jump and do the swirl. You're beautiful because you fight like a girl. For the girls who love with all their heart, although it sometimes gets broke. To girls who think it's over. To real girls, to all girls who have tears to soak. You throw, you pick up and fall, but just tell the world I'm beautiful because I fight like a girl. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great launch.